Quiz number 1. What number to write to make it 10? Please pause the video and try to answer. Okay, let's start. 14 minus 4 equals to 10. 17 minus 7 is equals to 10. 19 minus 9 is equals to 10. 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. 18 minus 8 is equals to 10. 10 minus 0 is equals to 10. 18 minus 3 is equals to 15. Minus 5 is equals to 10. 17 minus 4 is equals to 13. Minus 3 is equals to 10. 20 minus 0 is 20. Minus 10 is equals to 10. Okay, let's move on to the quiz number 2. What number to write to make it 25? Please pause the video again and try to answer. Okay, let's start. 27 minus 2 is 25. 31 minus 6 is 25. 34 minus 9 is 25. 30 minus 5 is 25. 33 minus 8 is 25. 38 minus 13 is 25. 35 minus 8 is 27. Minus 2 is 25. 39 minus 3 is 36. Minus 11 is 25. 37 minus 12 is 25. Minus 0 is equals to 25. I hope you learn. See you next time. God bless.